Welcome back to a new Bitcoin update. Okay, guys, we got a really good bounce here um, on Sunday, and we are already 5% up. Okay, in just 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Okay, this is the third day, and we are just rejecting the previous polarity support. Okay, as you can see, it was kind of rejected 3 times here, 1 2 3, and always add a good bounce after that. So it's polarity, in this case support, that is now turning into resistance. What I really want is to go there again on a 4 hour. Okay, we, because on a one I believe we tested 2 times, so we go there again on a four, maybe going a little bit higher, of course. um and with that we probably create a daily top. Okay, so what I don't really want, because this level is kind of a floating level, we had no reaction, simply no reaction on this level. But here this level is different, okay, because on a daily we have this daily that creates a downtrend with this daily. Okay, so we might see a reaction on this daily, maybe the week, maybe the body. Okay, and inside that we have the 4 hour over here. Okay, this 4 hour is previous support. Okay, that might turn also into resistance, so it's just a little higher than that polarity level. Okay, just and it might go there and have another big reaction, like today that we came down almost 2%, 1.9%. Okay, not that much. So we might see another big reaction uh, between these levels, or even the daily here. Okay, so I have no trend line here. Okay, but we, on higher time frames, we are definitely still in uptrend, but we need to understand that we might be creating a downtrend here. Okay, so this trend might be in play on the next days, maybe, or maybe not, because we can stay in this uh, we can stay in this range for a little while. Okay, okay, so even from the top here to the bottom here, and the price might stay in this range and try to break the trend here. We can still go to this candle and have a reaction. Okay, on the daily. On the 4 hour, we kind of don't have like anything here. We are kind of creating a new range here, because as you can see, this level was not testing any kind of level that were already tested, or that creates the trend, right? As you can see, we have some kind of trend here that was broken, and it's now just creating some new range. If Bitcoin goes above the 4 hour candle here, okay, it can turn this 4 hour as a new support. If it doesn't go to this previous range, it's kind of positive to the bull side. Okay, to the bullish side. If we reject the four, maybe the body, maybe the wick, okay, we might be creating an keep that downtrend here. Okay, we might be creating a new range, and with that we might be creating a downtrend here. We can also create an uptrend from this previous range, okay, to something like this in the future. If we come down here to test it, we might have a trend here, but yeah, not really important right now. On the daily, this is still really bullish, because we are trying to attack the top. Okay, if we reject this candle here, we could have created a downtrend here, a range downtrend, and probably we were failing to go above to these tops. Okay, we need to pay attention to this daily level that was already tested 2 times. Okay, if we go there again, we can still have a new another reaction, sorry, but we might see a week going just a little above that. Liquidation happens, and the price just falls down. Okay, and it's kind of a false top. Okay, so, and because we still have this candle here that can create and keep the resistance levels to be broken, okay, we might still be in a downtrend. Okay, so be careful with that. On the 4 hour, I believe there is no much to say here. We have this range here that might turn into support in the future, but it's not really important right now because we are kind of trying to attack the top. So inside the daily here, we still have a 4 hour candle here. I don't like this one. It's kind of the last 4 hour. I believe if we come up here, we are probably going a little bit higher to another untested candle. And with that, liquidate everyone that short here and didn't take profits probably, okay? Or everyone that short here and has the stop loss over there. So yeah, Bitcoin still really bullish. In just 2 days, we went up 5%. So that's really good for Bitcoin. And we might be staying in this uptrend for a little longer. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I hope you liked. See you guys on the next video. Thank you.